this is just a quick video to explain how to use what I call a cue card spacer. Now, I've noticed on Instagram that quite a lot of people are choosing cue cards as the revision method, which is great because I really do endorse that. But what we need to do is identify topics on the cue cards that you know well and topics on the cue cards that you don't know very well. Now, I would advise that when you're using the spacer, you do it in 20 to 25 minute chunks with a 5-minute rest and then repeat. Now, the first time you come to use it, you get your cue cards that you're going to study, let's say it's biology, and you put it in the purple Masterdeck section. What you then do is you look at the keyword on the front of the card, and then you try and remember what's on the back. If you get it perfectly right, it goes to the green pile. If you get some of it right, but it was difficult, so it's not quick recall, then it goes on the orange pile. If you haven't got a clue what is on the back of that card, it goes into the blue pile. And what you'll do is you'll go through and sort out those cards into the 3 piles. Now, you pick a card from the top of the blue pile. If you get this 100% right, it then moves to the green pile. If you get it partially right, it then goes to the orange pile. If you get it completely wrong, it goes back to the bottom of the blue pile, and you repeat that till all of the cards are off the blue pile. You then move to the orange and repeat a similar process. If you get it 100% right, it goes to the green. If you get it partially right, it goes back to the bottom of the orange. If you get it completely wrong, you've forgotten it, it goes back to blue. And you keep doing this until everything's cycled to the green card. Now, what you can then do is you either move on to a different set of cue cards, or you can repeat the process the night before your exam or a couple of days before your exam. This tool is very, very useful for identifying strengths and weaknesses in terms of what you do and do not remember in terms of your cue cards and strengthening your recall. But what it also does is it makes sure that the things that you do know you revisit, but the things that you don't know you revisit more often. Like I've said at the start of the video, this resource is completely free to download and print off, and you will find it at therevisionguy.wordpress.com. Just go on the home page and find the file and download it, and you can start straight away. If you like this type of activity, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Revision Guy, for more helpful hints and tips.